welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika. Do you like this look? This is an inspired makeup look of Jacqueline Fernandez from Lal Genda Phool. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please watch the video. At first I'm going to prep my skin, and for that I'm using rose water as a toner. I'm taking it on a cotton ball and then I'm dabbing it on my face. And after toner I am going to apply a moisturizer on my face, and this moisturizer is from VLCC. I'll apply it by gently massaging it on my face. And on the top of moisturizer I am going to apply an aloe vera gel. I'm going to start by doing eye makeup first, so I'm using this Kiss Beauty concealing palette to conceal my eyelids. I'm applying concealer with the help of a flat brush all over my eyelid, and then I'll be blending it with the help of a beauty sponge. I'm using this compact from Maybelline Fit Me to set my concealer. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Hilary Rhoda, and I'm taking a very light pink shade from the palette and I'll be applying it all over my eyelid. Now I am picking up this dark pink shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying it on my eyelid to give my eyes more depth. I am applying concealer up to my crease line on my eyelid, and then I'll be blending it by dabbing it with my finger. I am picking up very light purple shade from the same palette and I am applying it on the top of my concealer. I am applying dark purple shade on the outer V of my eyelid and then I am blending it. I am going to be applying a shimmery purple shade on the top of that. By using this glitter palette, I am applying a light purple glitter on my eyelid. Now I am filling my brows and I am going to be making it a thick and a dramatic one. By using this liner from Lakme 9 to 5, I am going to line my eyes and I am going to be drawing very thin liner. I am going to apply this kajal from Himalaya on my lower lash line. Using this mascara from Kiss Beauty, I am going to be finishing my eye makeup. My eye makeup is done. I am going to do my base, and for that I am using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'll be applying it with the help of a damp beauty sponge. Now it's time to conceal, and I'm concealing the areas like under my eyes, on the sides of my nose, on the sides of my lips, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. And I am blending my concealer with the help of a damp beauty sponge. Now I am applying compact on the top of my concealer to set it. I'm applying eyeshadow closer towards my lower lash line. Using this blush palette from Hilary Rhoda, I'm going to be applying a very light pink blush on the apples of my cheek. Now by using this contour, I'm going to be contouring my face very lightly just to enhance my face shape. I'm going to highlight my face by using this highlighter from Ronzal Cosmetics. I'm highlighting highest points of my face like my bridge of the nose, my chin, my forehead. By using this sponge applicator, I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones. I'm completing my makeup by applying this lipstick. And here my makeup is done. This is the final finished look, guys. I hope you all liked the look and enjoyed the video. And if you do enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 100 subscribers. Please guys, please 100 subscribers karwa do yaar. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.